Hi, I'm Jesse from Dr. PC Fix, and today we're going to talk about display device cables and connections. Display devices can use several different types of cables and connectors. The first and most common is the DB15 high-intensity VGA connector. It contains 3 rows of 5 pins and is usually blue in color. You might also see the terms HD15 or DE15 used to describe this cable and connector type. Mini VGA is used on smaller devices such as laptops in place of standard full-size cables. Secondly, Digital Video Interface or DVI specification was developed to enable analog and digital display devices to use a single connector. It is used to transmit large amounts of digital data from the computer to a digital display such as a flat panel LCD monitor. DVI cables come in 3 configurations: DVI analog, DVI digital, and DVI integrated. The High Definition Multimedia Interface, or HDMI, is the first industry-supported, uncompressed, all-digital audio-video interface. It is used between any audio-video source, such as a set-top box, DVD player, or AV receiver, and an audio and/or video monitor, such as a digital television as well. HDMI has largely superseded DVI and is compatible with the DVI standard. It can be used with PC systems that support DVI as well. Mini HDMI interface is like the full-size HDMI connector, except that it is specified for use with portable devices. A micro HDMI cable is also available for portable devices, such as the original Microsoft Surface RT tablet and some smartphones. Displayport is a digital display that aims to replace DVI and VGA standards. Displayport is not backward compatible with DVI and HDMI. Displayport supports high-quality gaming and other applications that use high-end graphics. Component video is a color video analog format that separates video signals in 3 or more channels. Sometimes, component video often refers to RGB signals, and the 3-wire analog RGB cable is often used for high-end video cameras. Composite video is an analog video format that combines video information on one single channel. RCA cables and connectors are used to carry audio and transmit video from a variety of devices such as TVs, digital cameras, and gaming systems. The female jacks are colored to provide a guide as to what type of connector can be attached. Common colors found are yellow for various composite connections, red for the right channel of audio transmission, and white or black for the left channel of audio transmission. A coaxial cable, or coax, is a type of copper cable that features a central conducting copper core surrounded by an insulator and braided or foil shielding. An insulator separates the conductor and shield, and the entire package is wrapped in an insulating layer called a jacket. The data signal is transmitted over the central conductor. The outer shielding serves to reduce electromagnetic interference. The Bnc connector is used with coaxial cable to carry radio frequencies to and from devices. The Bnc cable can be used to connect radio equipment, aviation electronics, and to carry video signals. Mini DIN4 connectors are used for S-video connections. S-video is an analog video signal that carries the video data as 2 separate signals, brightness and color. Now you know about the various types of display cables and connections. Thanks for watching.